corn. Just want to help him get a couple pictures here. There you go. Just holler at us. We'll move.
I don't mind people in the picture. It's part of knowing you're at the convention.
A lot of compliments on Summit and your rocks. Absolutely. He's the rockmeister. 20-minute joint compound.
Definitely somebody that,
Well, actually, this is 45.
Was it?
45 up to here. 20 minutes what we use.
20 minutes what we use. It's all 20. That's all I ever got.
Yeah.
That's implicit. It takes the paint real well and it
yeah, that's what I like about it. I've seen before this. I'm talking about it.
You haven't seen it run, have you?
No, this is the first time you see it all together.
It hasn't run for a while. Took a lot of work to get it to this point recently. It's coming together. You've been down here. Was it? Katrina was here a week ago. Full of stuff and cars all over. I mean, all over. And you know, you're trying to do that guy and San Bernardino Yard, but where are you going with all these cars? These tracks are jammed, everything is jammed, and then a wiring ditch over here. Finally get to the point where